Welcome back to my channel, Auto Gear Hub. Today we are taking a detailed look at the all-new 2026 Dacia 500 Hybrid, a compact yet modern car that combines affordability, efficiency, and practical design. Dacia has always been known for producing budget-friendly vehicles with solid reliability, and with the 2026 Dacia 500 Hybrid, the brand is stepping further into the future by adding hybrid technology while still keeping the price accessible for everyday drivers. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Dacia 500 Hybrid comes with a fresh and modern look that feels more premium than previous models from the brand. At the front, the car features a bold grille with Dacia's updated logo placed proudly in the center. The grille is flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the car a sharp and futuristic appearance, especially at night. The daytime running lights form a unique light signature that makes the car easily recognizable on the road. The front bumper has sporty air intakes and subtle chrome accents that add a touch of sophistication without making the car look overly aggressive. Moving along the side profile, the Dacia 500 Hybrid has a clean and simple silhouette with smooth body lines that improve aerodynamics. The slightly raised stance gives it a crossover-like presence, making it look more confident than a typical compact hatchback. Stylish alloy wheels, black window trim, and optional two-tone roof colors add personality to the overall design. The rear of the car is equally attractive, featuring modern LED taillights connected by a slim light bar that stretches across the tailgate. The rear bumper is simple yet sporty, and the roof spoiler adds a subtle performance touch. When you step inside the cabin, the 2026 Dacia 500 Hybrid surprises you with a comfortable and well-organized interior. Dacia has focused on practicality and smart design. The dashboard layout is clean and user-friendly, with a large central touchscreen infotainment system that supports smartphone connectivity such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver display behind the steering wheel shows important information like speed, hybrid battery level, and driving data. The seats are designed for comfort during both short city drives and longer highway trips. Depending on the trim level, the seats can come with fabric or premium eco-leather upholstery. The front seats provide good support, while the rear seats offer enough space for passengers considering the compact size of the car. There are also plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin, including door pockets, cup holders, and a practical center console. The trunk space is also impressive for this segment, making the car suitable for daily shopping, family use, or weekend travel. Now let's talk about performance, which is where the hybrid system really makes a difference. The 2026 Dacia 500 Hybrid is expected to combine a small but efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor and a compact battery pack. This hybrid setup allows the car to deliver smooth acceleration while also improving fuel efficiency. In city driving, the car can rely more on the electric motor, which reduces fuel consumption and emissions. When more power is needed, the gasoline engine works together with the electric motor to provide balanced performance. The power output is expected to be around 120 horsepower, which is more than enough for daily commuting and urban driving. The hybrid system is paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth gear changes and relaxed driving. One of the biggest advantages of the hybrid system is fuel efficiency. Drivers can expect excellent mileage, making the car economical to run, especially with rising fuel prices. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps on city roads while still maintaining stability at highway speeds. In terms of safety and technology, the 2026 Dacia 500 Hybrid comes with several modern features. These may include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. These features help make driving safer and more convenient, especially for new drivers or families. Finally, let's talk about pricing, which is one of the biggest reasons people consider a Dacia vehicle. The 2026 Dacia 500 Hybrid is expected to start at around $18,000 to $20,000 depending on the market and trim level. Higher trims with additional technology, premium interior materials, and advanced safety features could go up to around $24,000. Even at the higher price, the car remains very competitive compared to other hybrid vehicles in the market. Overall, the 2026 Dacia 500 Hybrid offers a great balance of modern styling, practical interior space, efficient hybrid performance, and affordable pricing. It is designed for drivers who want a reliable and economical car with modern technology without paying a premium price. If you are looking for a compact hybrid vehicle that delivers value, practicality, and everyday usability, the new Dacia 500 Hybrid could be a very interesting option to consider. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more automotive reviews here on Auto Gear Hub.